Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most perfect and most delicious pancakes you have ever made. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Goose just walked out of the dog door, and so it made a lot of squeaking in the middle of my take here for this voice memo. So you're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a cup of flour, and I know that looks like 2 cups, but that's a half cup measure, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of sugar in a mixing bowl. I do dry ingredients and then I do wet ingredients. So I just gave that a quick mix just to make sure everything was mixed up really well before I added in the wet ingredients. Then I added 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 egg, and I'm going to add some vanilla. Now, if you want really fluffy pancakes, the trick to this is to just mix it up very gently, but don't mix it up anymore after it's like come together. Don't worry about clumps. Don't worry about, just don't overmix it. And you'll find that your batter gets really thick with the baking powder and stuff. That's what you want. That's where the fluff is going to come from. So I just put some butter in my pan, and I have this on a low heat. It's very easy to burn pancakes. And I put some batter in the middle. And you just want to cook it until bubbles start to appear around the sides and in the middle. It doesn't take very long. On this low heat, it took maybe 5 minutes. Then you give it a flip and you cook it for another couple of minutes. And it's all done. And I was using a small pan, so I only did one at a time, but there it is. These were delicious. And if you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.